Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. Good morning mga idol, good morning. Okay, today we ride out 6:35. Ayan. Early tayo today. Our plan is to do a zone 2 training, at least 100 kilometers going to Palo. Strictly zone 2 guys, and at least 90 cadence. At least sa data ko ay yun yung optimal na zone 2 training. Okay, so let's go. Ang ganda ng weather, sana tuloy-tuloy na. Patagdag na sobrahan ko yata yung pump ko ng hangin, PSI. Anyway, tansyahin ko na lang mamaya. To be honest, sana matagal na ako bumili ng cadence sensor. For me ay malaking tulong siya, especially sa training and kung naglo-long ride. Mababalanse mo yung padjak mo, and malaki yung chance na matatapos mo yung goal mo na walang problem. Sabi nung iba, hindi daw need yung cadence sensor, pero for me, based on my experience sa few days pa lang, few weeks na gamit, malaking tulong siya kasi tansyado mo yung padjak mo. Anyway, may foreigner nagja-jogging. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Optimal RPM ko ay around 85 to 95. Ayan, nag-hover lang ako ng 88. Sucks lang. Binabawasan ko konti kung nag-a-above 130 na yung heart rate ko. We are now at the municipality of MacArthur. Ayan. Nakakagigil yung ganto. Saka pakukunin kong may madisgrasya na. Huwag naman sana. Ay nako. Medyo malimit. Kamote. Daming kamote. Nag-normalize na yung counterflowing. Anyway, we are now at Mayorga town proper. 4 more municipalities to go. Okay, welcome to Dulag, Karatong country of the Philippines, as they claim. Karatong. Still monitoring my ride. RPM cadence ranges around 85 to 95. Heart rate 130 and below. This hill is called Hill 120. This is one of the historic spot during World War II. Ito yung indication na may checkpoints. Oh! Kamote. Okay. Check natin. LTO. Ito yung may indication na may checkpoint. LTO. Ayan. Nagpapatibok. Daming nakaabang, guys. Malamang sa malamang, maraming late. Lusot na lang ko, no? Pag walang lisensya at walang rehistro, meaning walang violation. Okay, by far this is the best spot the entire route. Coastal na daan. And it's a side. Under repair, widening, and I think para sa shoulder. Okay, we are now at Tolosa town proper. Ayan, TI. Okay, thank you. Ito yung mga nagpapatibok. Buti na lang walang traffic. Hi, thank you. Okay, this is Balok Cathedral. Ayan. Okay, so this is Balok Cathedral. Ayan, picture lang tayo dito. Okay. Balok Cathedral. Sir, morning. Picture la, sir. Salamat. Okay. Okay, so this is the provincial capital of Leyte. Ayan, medyo malayo tayo guys, pero we will move closer. And I think this one is the symbol of Yolanda, if I am not mistaken. I think this is the Yolanda Memorial Monument. Ayan, Super Typhoon Yolanda. I know. Okay, I hope you can see it guys. Ayan. Okay, Taj Mahal. This one is Douglas MacArthur. Idol MacArthur. And sa likod ay the first mass, which was in Limasawa I think, and Leyte Golf Landing sa likod. Alright. Okay guys, this is the new provincial Leyte provincial capital of Leyte. The old one was in Tacloban, and ito na yung bago, which is in Palo. Malapit lang ito sa MacArthur Park sa Palo, Leyte. Ayan, makikita nyo din dito guys yung monument ni Lapu-Lapu, and sa likod naman ay yung first mass ng Catholic, which is in Limasawa, and andun yung monument ni Magellan, and sa tabi naman ay may monument ni General Douglas MacArthur, and andun din yung Leyte Golf Landing. Ayan, so sulit yung makikita nyo dito guys. For those who are doing the Philippine Loop, I highly suggest to visit this capital. Mag-ano lang kayo, ask permission lang kayo sa guard sa entrance, and you can take a photo or whatsoever dito. Yan lang guys. MacArthur Landing. Ayan. Okay, so hindi tayo natuloy sa Jollibee kasi occupied, maraming tao, and walang maparkingan ng bike. So plan B tayo, which is 7-Eleven, and sa tapat ay may market. Bili tayo saging. Okay, ringa asa ng motor. Indonesia. We are now heading back home. Nakapagbaon na rin ng saging kasi last 100 kilometers ko was very bad. May bad cramps ako, and para to prevent sodium potassium, let's go. Balot na guys. Roberto, very hardworking. that was our ride for today. Total distance is 111 kilometers and elapsed time is 4 hours and 16 minutes. Total calories burned 3,406. Yun lang guys, thank you. Ride safe. Bye bye. Fufu for lunch.
Hi.
Future cyclist, 5 kilometers.
Loko-loko.